This is the SEAFLO 14 Series manual low-profile bilge pump. With its low-profile design, it will fit into many places traditional bilge pumps won't fit. Also, the pickup is designed to get as close to the bottom of the bilge as possible to get maximum water retrieval. The 14C comes with a variety of fittings for the outlet, including this angled fitting, and fittings that will accommodate 3/4, 1 inch, and 1 1/8 inch hose. Also included is a check valve, which prevents water from backflowing to the pump. The 14C pumps at 1100 gallons per hour and is available in 12 volt and 24 volt models. Also, there are these two holes in the outlet that prevent an airlock from occurring in the pump. The 14C is a manual bilge pump, so it has two wires, black for negative, brown for positive. So you would use this pump in conjunction with a traditional float switch to activate the pump. The outlet fittings are all screw-on quick connect, meaning they can be disassembled or assembled while the hose is still connected to the barb, allowing easy access to the pump for servicing. The motor is also a quick release motor, which can be removed by pushing these two buttons. This allows you even better access to the impeller inside the pump for cleaning and servicing. And of course, the intake screen is quick release to allow for cleaning as well. Again, the pump is a manual bilge pump, so to demonstrate it, I will turn on the switch. And the pump starts. And off.